we are going to discuss about cosine rule. So, in any triangle ABC, b square is equals to c square plus a square minus 2ac cos b. C square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. A square is equals to b square plus e square minus 2bc cos a. This is the cosine rule. B square equals to, in terms of other two sides, c square in terms of other two sides, a square in terms of other two sides. So anyway, so how to prove this? As like the previous proof, here also we'll proceed in three cases. Let us say angle B is acute, angle B is right, angle B is obtuse. In all the three cases we are going to prove this statement. So if you take any acute angle, if you take triangle ABC where B is acute, okay, so let us draw one altitude from A to opposite side BC. Let us say it is AD. Okay, now what is the length of BC? A units, we know that. Now what is cos B from this? Cos B is in triangle ABD. What is cos B? Cos B is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse length is C. Okay. Now adjacent side is BD is some x I will take. The remaining CD I will take as total length is A, right? Till B is x, the remaining length will be A minus x. X plus A minus x will get A. Now cos B is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is x by C. That implies what is x is equals to C cos B. X is equals to C cos B. Now if you take triangle ADC, what is the condition you will get? AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square. AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square by Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. So AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. Okay, now AC square is nothing but B. B square is equals to AD square C. Now in this, from this triangle, what is AD square? C square minus H square only, right? AD square is equals to C square minus H square from this triangle ABD. AD square is C square minus H square. That I am replacing here. AD square with C square minus H square. Plus CD square is nothing but A minus X whole square. Okay. Now it becomes C square minus H square, A minus B whole square expansion. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So minus H square plus H square cancel. You will get C square plus A square minus 2A into, what is X we got already? C cos B. So minus 2AC cos B, which is nothing but B square. So if angle B is acute, we proved that B square is equals to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. If angle B is acute, we proved that B square is equals to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. Similarly, if angle B is right, angle B is obtuse. Okay, also we are going to prove. If angle B is right, the second case, angle B is right. Okay, if you take triangle ABC, angle B is right. Okay, so what is that condition we will get by Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. BC length is A units, AB length is C units, AC length is B units. So B square is equals to C square plus A square. B square is equals to C square plus A square. B square is equals to C square plus A square. So this I will write as C square plus A square minus 2AC cos 90. First 90 value how much? 0. C square plus C square plus A square minus 0 is equivalent to C square plus C square only. C square plus A square only. So even if you write this, the value will not be changed. So this I will write as further: C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B, which is nothing but B square. So B square is equals to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. B square is equals to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. When angle B is right also we proved. Okay. Suppose if angle B is obtuse. If angle B is obtuse, what will happen? Angle B is obtuse. If angle B is obtuse, how to prove that B square is equal to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B? Simple. You take an obtuse triangle where angle B is obtuse. A, B, C. Okay. Now if you drop a perpendicular from A to the side BC, if you extend CB this side. Okay. So angle B is, if angle B is obtuse, so AD perpendicular to, so I have drawn one perpendicular from A to the side BC. Okay, here when it is obtuse angle triangle, angle B is obtuse here, especially AD will lies at exterior of the triangle. Perpendicular from A lies exterior of the triangle ABC. Now BC length is A units, this BD length is some X units I am considering. Now this angle is B. What will be this angle? 180 minus B. Yes or no? Linear pair. Now take the triangle ADB. Triangle ADP. Cos of 180 minus B is equals to AD by X. AD by X. Cos of 180 minus B is equals to AD by X. Sorry. Cos of 180 minus B is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is X. Adjacent side is X. Hypotenuse is AB. AB length is C. AC length is B. So hypotenuse is C. Cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So it becomes minus C cos B is equals to X. Keep it aside. Now take triangle ADC. Triangle ADC is a right angled. Square of AC is equals to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So AC square means B square is equals to AD square plus CD square. AD square, CD square can be written as A plus X whole square. Yes or no? CD length is A plus X. Now AD square also like similar proof from triangle ADB. From triangle ADB triangle, AD square is nothing but C square minus X square. So I can replace here. In place of AD square I can write C square minus H square plus A plus X whole square. Now it becomes C square minus H square, here A plus B whole square. A square plus X square plus 2AX. Okay, A square plus X square plus 2AX minus X square plus X square out means cancel. So C square plus A square plus 2A into what is the X value you got? Minus C cos B into minus C cos B. It becomes C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. This is nothing but B square. So B square is equals to C square plus A square, C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. So we proved in all three cases that B square is equals to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. Similarly, we can prove the remaining also, that is C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. So this is about cosine rule. Now listen next problem based on cosine rule, that is a times of b cos c minus c cos b. So how to do this? A times of b cos c minus c cos b, that is ab cos c minus a into c cos b, that is ac cos b. Okay, that is ab into what is cos c? A square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Okay, minus ac times of what is cos b? C square plus a square minus b square by 2ac. Okay, so now ab and ab cancel. Here ac and ac cancel. So what is that you will get? A square plus b square minus c square by 2. Here c square plus a square minus b square by 2. Okay, now common denominator is 2. Now what is it you will get numerator? A square plus b square minus c square, minus times of minus c square minus a square minus times of minus b square is plus b square. So you will get here plus a square plus minus a square cancel, b square plus b square 2b square, minus c square minus c square is minus 2c square by 2. That is again 2 if you take common in the numerator, 2 times of b square minus c square by 2. So b square minus c square. So that is a times of b cos c minus c cos b is equals to b square minus c square. Now listen problem number 10. If a is equals to 2b, then a square value is what they ask. Okay, if a is equals to 2b, then here it is what is the value of a square. So here I will apply on both the sides sine. Sine a is equals to sine 2b. Sine a is equals to sine 2b. Sine 2b can be written as 2 sine b cos b. Left hand side sine a. Now we know that sine rule as well as cos rule. So both we can apply in this problem. Sine a we can write as a by 2r. 2 into what is sine b? B by 2r. And what is cos b? C square plus a square minus b square by 2ac. Okay, that is cos b. Both the sides 2r will be cancelled. Okay, now you will get this 2ac, bring this side. Here also 2 and 2 also will be cancelled. So ac if we send that side, a square c is equals to b times of c square plus a square minus b square. bc square, b into a square, ba square minus b cube. Okay, so now what is that you will get? A square c is equals to bc square plus ba square minus b cube. A square c is equals to bc square plus ba square minus b cube. We wanted the value of a square. So this a square term bring to left hand side. A square c minus ba square equals to bc square minus b cube. Okay, take here a square common. A square if we take common, c minus b equals to here take b common, b into c square minus b square. Okay, that is b into c square minus b square means c plus b into c minus b formula. Okay, a square minus b square formula. So a square into c minus b. So a square is equals to how much? C minus b, both sides cancel, b times of c plus b. So a square value is b times of c plus b. Okay, now listen to the next problem. They are given the sides of the triangle as sin alpha, cos alpha and square root of 1 plus sin alpha, cos alpha. And alpha is between 0 and pi by 2. And alpha is between 0 and pi by 2. Okay, now we have to find the greatest angle of the triangle. We have to find the greatest angle of the triangle. So let us say some cos A, suppose. Okay, so some angle. is equals to apply cosine rule for these three sides. Okay, one angle. Suppose this is the angle opposite to this side. Suppose. So this square plus this square minus this square, that is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha minus of square root of 1 plus sin alpha cos alpha whole square by 2 sin alpha cos alpha. 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, what is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha? We know, identity 1. This is minus 1 minus sin alpha cos alpha by 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, 1 minus 1 cancel, you will get minus sin alpha into cos alpha by 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So sin alpha, cos alpha cancel. Cos A is equals to minus 1 by 2. Cos A equals to minus 1 by 2. So what is angle A will be 120 degrees. Okay, angle A will be 120 degrees. So they asked to find the greatest angle. This is obtuse angle, right? In a triangle, if there exists obtuse angle, that will be the greatest. So angle A is 120 degrees. Therefore, the greatest angle is 120. Now listen the next problem. They are given angle C is 60 degrees. Then they ask you to calculate the value of A by B plus C plus B by C plus A. This value we have to calculate. So cos C is equal, C is equal to 60 degrees. Use the cosine rule. Cos C, that is cos 60 degrees is equals to, we will get one condition in terms of A and ABC. Okay, cos 60 is equals to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Okay, this value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equals to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. 2 to cancel, AB send it side. AB equals to A square plus B square minus C square. Okay, or otherwise this minus C square bring this side. AB plus C square equals to A square plus B square. This is one condition we got. Now, what is this value given? A by B plus C plus B by C plus A value we have to calculate. Take the LCM. B plus C into C plus A. This becomes A times of C plus A. A times of C plus A is AC plus A square. Next, B times of B plus A. B square plus BC. Okay, if denominator if you observe B plus C and C plus A. Numerator, I can write here in place of A square plus B square, this result, right? AB plus C square. So I am writing that. AC plus AB plus C square plus BC by B plus C times of C plus A. So what is this becomes here in these two terms, I can take A common, A into C plus B plus C into C plus B by B plus C into C plus A. Okay, which is equals to C plus B you can take common, C plus B into A plus C by B plus C into C plus A. So these two terms and these two terms will be cancelled, you get 1. So the value of this is equals to 1. Now listen to the next problem. Problem number 15. Angle C is equal to 60 degrees they given. We have to find the value of B by C square minus A square plus A by C square minus B square. Now observe, like previous problem, angle C is equal to 60 degrees given, right? So use cos C, that is cos 60 degrees is equals to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Cos 60 form value is 1 by 2 equals to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. 2 and 2 cancel. AB bring this side. AB is equals to A square plus B square minus C square. AB is equals to A square plus B square minus A. I will use this condition later. So now what is this given? Take the LCM. So B times of C square minus B square plus A times of C square minus A square by C square minus A square into C square minus B square. Now B into C square, BC square minus B cube, B into B square. Again plus AC square minus A cube by C square minus A square into C square minus B square. Now what you do is BC square and AC square, I can take a C square common. C square into B plus A. Here take minus common. Minus of A cube plus B cube. Minus of A cube plus B cube. Formula is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square by C square minus A square into C square minus B square. Okay, numerator if you observe here, I can take A plus B common. If you take A plus B common, what is that you will get? C square minus of A square, okay, minus of A square, minus of minus AB plus AB, minus of B square minus B square by C square minus A square into C square minus B square. Now you observe A plus B into C here. I can take here minus A square, C square minus A square value. From this, what is this plus C square bring this side, minus C square if you bring this side plus C square. Okay, plus A square bring this side minus A square is equals to B square plus AB is on that side minus AB. Now in place of C square minus A square, I will write a B square minus AB. B square minus AB plus AB minus B square by denominator this is. Okay, now you see minus AB plus AB cancel, plus B square minus B square cancel, 0. 0 and anything here you will get 0. So finally the value of this result is 0. The value of that expression is 0. This is problem number 15. Now listen to the next problem. They are given in a triangle ABC. ABC are the length of the sides. A power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power 4 is equals to 2C square times of A square plus B square. We have to find the value of angle C. So this I will write like this. A to the power of 4 plus B to the power of 4 plus C to the power of 4 minus 2C square A square minus 2C square B square equals to 0. Equals to 0. Now what I will do is I will add on both sides 2A square B square. Okay. So what is the left hand side becomes? This is A square whole square. This is B square whole square. This is C square whole square. Okay. You can write like that, right? A power 4 as A square whole square like that. Now it is in the form of A square plus B square plus C square minus 2CA minus 2BC plus 2AB form like that. So it is in the form of that. So I can write here A square plus B square minus C square whole square. This whole expression I write as A square plus B square minus C square whole square, which is equals to 2A square B square. Now what is A square plus B square minus C square is root 2 A square B square. Sorry, root 2 AB. Okay. Now we wanted C. Means from this we can find cos C, right? Both the sides you divide with 2AB. Okay. So you will get here 1 by root 2 right hand side. AB cancel. Root 2 times 1 by root 2. This is cos C. So cos C is 1 by root 2. C will be 45 degrees. 5 by 4. Okay. So now we got the value of angle C. This is problem number 16. Now listen the next problem. They are given two straight roads intersect at an angle of 60 degrees. So this is one straight road, this is one straight road. They will intersect at an angle of 60 degrees they given. A bus on one road is 2 kilometers away from the intersection. So there is a bus which is of 2 kilometers away. Okay. So let this point of intersection be some A. Now, and a car on the other road 3 kilometers away from the intersection. There is other point C. This is a car at a distance of 3 kilometers from A, from the point of intersection. Then the direct distance between the vehicles we have to calculate. Means the direct distance between the two vehicles means BC length we have to calculate. Let us say the length of BC is x. Now in this triangle ABC, apply cosine rule. That is, x square is equals to 3 square plus 2 square minus 2 into 3 into 2 into cos 60 degrees. Okay, so 3 square value 9, 2 square value 4, minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 into 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, 2 6 times. 9 4s are 9 plus 4, 13, 13 minus 6 are 7. X square value is 7, x is equals to root 7. So the distance between two vehicles is root 7 kilometers. The distance between the two vehicles is root 7 kilometers. Now you see, ABC are the sides of the triangle as well as they are roots of this equation. So if ABC are roots of the equation, what is sum of the roots? Minus b by a. So a plus b plus c is minus of minus 11, so plus 11 by a value 1. Next, sum of the products of the roots taken two at a time. AB plus BC plus CA is 38, c by a. And product of the roots ABC is minus d by a, that is 40. Okay, now use the cosine rule. Here cos a is b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc into 1 by a is that, so 2abc. Same model we solved already. So a square plus c square minus b square by 2abc plus a square plus b square minus c square by 2abc. Okay, now LCM is 2abc. Here b square plus c square minus a square plus a square plus c square minus b square plus a square plus b square minus c square. Minus a square plus a square will be cancelled, plus b square minus b square will be cancelled, and plus c square minus c square will also cancelled. So you got a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc. Okay, that I will write as a square plus b square plus c square I will write as a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca, we know this formula, by 2abc. So all these values we have. What is a plus b plus c? 11. Whole square is 121. 2 into ab plus bc plus ca value how much? 38. 2 into 38 by 2 times of abc value 40. So 121 minus 2 into 38, 76 by 80. Okay, 121 minus 76 by 80. So 121 by minus 76 is how much it is? Okay, 45 by 80. So 5 9 times, 5 16 times. So 9 by 16 is the answer to the given expression. So cos a by a plus cos b by b plus cos c by cos c is 9 by 16. So this is problem number 18. Then we'll go to the next problem. Two sides of a triangle are given by the roots of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Two sides of a triangle are given by this equation. And the angle between the two sides is pi by 3. Then the perimeter of the triangle they asked. Okay, so there is a triangle ABC. Here x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 means x is equals to 2 comma 3. Okay, so now angle between them is pi by 3 they given. Okay, we need to find the perimeter, means we should know the third side. So let us say third side is some x. So how will you write x square is equals to 2 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 3 into cos 60 degrees. This is 4 plus 9, 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12 into 1 by 2. 2 ones 2 6. So x plus 4 plus 9 13, 13 minus 6 7. X is equals to 7. So x square is equals to 7. X is equals to root 7. Actually you will get plus or minus root 7, but here x is positive quantity, so we will take x is equals to root 7. So perimeter will be sum of the three sides, that is 2 plus 3 plus root 7, that is 5 plus root 7. That is the perimeter of the given triangle. Now next problem, angle B given 30 degrees, side C is nothing but side C is given as root 3 times B. Then we have to calculate the value of angle A. Okay, so how to calculate? Now you see, angle B is 30 degrees, C is equals to root 3B, angle A we have to calculate. Okay, now how to do this? C is equals to root 3B, C is equals to root 3B, angle B is equals to 30 degrees. So you take simply cosine root cos B, that is cos 30 equals to cos B is equals to A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. Okay, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay, now A square plus what is C? C square? C is root 3B. C square means 3B square minus B square by 2AC, that is 2 into A into C value is root 3B. C value is root 3B. So 2A into root 3B. Okay, now cross multiply. This is 2 root 3 AB into root 3, that is 2 3 is 6. 6AB. So 6AB is equals to, this is 2A square, 3B minus B square is 2B square, that is 2A square plus 2B square into 2, 4B square. Okay, so 2A square plus 4B square is equal to 6AB. Throughout 2 you can cancel. 3AB equals to A square plus 2B square. Okay, now 3AB bring this side. A square minus 3AB plus 2B square equal to 0. This we can factorize actually. This I will write as A square minus 3AB is there, no? So I will write minus 2AB minus AB plus 2B square equals to 0. Take here A common, A into A minus 2B. Take minus B common, A minus 2B equals to 0. So A minus 2B take common, A minus 2B into A minus B equals to 0. That means A is equals to 2B or A is equals to B. A is equals to 2B or A is equals to B. Now we have to calculate. Here A is in terms of, we know that sine rule, right? A is 2R sine A is equals to 2 into 2R sine B. Okay, 2R both the sides cancel. Sine A is equals to 2 into sine B, sine 60. Sorry, B how much? 30 degrees. That is 2 sine 30 degrees. 2 sine 30 degrees. That is 2 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sin A is equals to 1. A is equals to 90 degrees. A is equals to 90 degrees. Okay. So angle B is 30 degrees. Side C is root 3 times the side B. Then angle A is 90 degrees. Okay. This is problem number 20.